So here we have a worksheet called Butterfly or Moth, and it says, cut out the pictures. Well, first of all, I'm going to add some color to my pictures. I've got a butterfly and a cocoon and a butterfly on a flower and a moth and a chrysalis and again a moth on a flower. So we'll color those pictures first and then we'll cut them out. It says, match each picture to a sentence. So we have some sentences here, in fact 6 of them, to go with our 6 pictures. We're going to glue the pictures so that they're standing up. That's why there's a fold line here where it says fold back and glue. All right, so step 1, color. Step 2, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut this box out. And just to make the whole thing a little bit neater, I'm going to trim the edge. And we're going to cut the 6 boxes out. And then it says fold back and glue. So on the folded line here, we want to fold on that line folding back. And we're going to put the glue actually on that part right there so that when we put it down, it stands up. So let's do all the folding back first. Okay, it says a butterfly has an antenna that ends with a round tip. In this picture, I can see there's the antenna and there's a little arrow pointing to it. So I'm going to add with my glue stick. I'm just going to rub the glue on here, right on this edge like that. So the glue's getting on the folded edge. And I'm going to glue it onto that part there. So now the picture stands up. A butterfly has an antenna that ends with a round tip. A moth antenna looks like a feather. So here we have a picture of a moth. We can see the little arrow pointing to the antenna, which they do look like feathers. Again, I'm going to put glue on that folded part there. So the picture will stand up. Number 3, a butterfly rests with its wings up. So here's a picture of a butterfly resting on a flower with its wings up. Let's put some glue on this little folding part. And there we go. A moth rests with its wings spread out. So here we have a moth with its wings spread out. So this one is for number 4, sentence number 4. A butterfly comes from a chrysalis. All right, there's our chrysalis. That goes on number 5, right there. And we've only got one left, which says, a moth comes from a cocoon. Here's our cocoon. This one goes in the bottom. And there we go. Now we've got our picture standing up with our sentences.